Before the days of laser technology, before computer-controlled machinery, precision and maximum productivity was based on having a keen eye, which also helped keep you alive. This is the story of a survivor from another time, a specimen of industrial archaeology known as the steam power sawmill. Golden Rail Video presents a fascinating and one-of-a-kind video adventure. From the coastal mountain range of Oregon comes the story of a sawmill that time forgot. North America's last commercial mill, still powered by steam engines. This is a truly unique and highly entertaining video. You'll learn how this mill survived. See how it competes in the modern world of logging and wood products. You'll meet the men who daily work with equipment usually found in museums. They are the inheritors of steam-powered technical know-how, now all but extinct.
And of all the machinery we have in the mill, we have less trouble with that steam engine than anything else.
You'll learn how science is changing this industry, renewing our forest in ways unknown only a few years ago. And you'll ride the 100-year-old rail line that still services the mill, featuring this classic diesel locomotive. This top-quality video will take you to a world you may have never seen, giving you a close-up look at all the rough and tumble energy of this ancient equipment in full operation. Step out of the world of high-tech and into the fascinating world of steam power with Golden Rail Video's Steam Power Sawmill. Available at finer hobby stores, industrial museums, or direct by mail or phone.